Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to quickly duplicate a survey in Qualtrics. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is go ahead and open up Qualtrics. So we need to click onto the three horizontal bars next to your project and then click onto project again. Then from there you're going to see all your current active projects inside of Qualtrics. Now, in order to duplicate it, we need to click on the project or hover your mouse over and click on the three dots. This is going to give us some project options. Then from here, click on copy project. And then we want to copy to. We can copy it to a library other user. I'm just going to do account. Now I'm going to give this a name. I'm going to call this food responses. And then click on copy project. And that's going to duplicate that project inside of my folder here. So this is the copy of this untitled project. So if I want to go ahead and open it up, it's going to have the same questions and the same everything inside of that.